Hi, today I'm going to unwrap these Maxell MD 80s. These are the ones with the little butterfly on them. I've got these through several different eBay orders, so they don't come from a matched set. And although they look similar, they do have some differences in the packaging. So the pile on the left hand side has got Maxell written on there, and this pile here has got Maxell written on there. Otherwise they look the same, apart from the fact on the back these ones have a barcode, these ones don't. So it makes me think that these ones came from a pack, or maybe from a pack that was within a plastic storage case, and these ones might have been sold separately. So what I'm going to do is open these up and see if we can see what the differences are. We'll start with green. So they look the same so far. Let's compare the labels, the inlay. Like a spot the difference game. They look exactly the same to me. It looks similar. This one's bolder and slightly different position on the paper, but that could just be a different print run, I suppose. Let's compare the two cases. This one looks slightly more frosted on the right hand side. Let's move those out of the way a minute. Yes, you can see there the one on the right hand side, that's the one without the barcode on the pack, is a slightly more frosted case. Oh, an entirely different shape, that's the back. So the ones on the right hand side don't have the typical Maxell case on them. Okay, it's very difficult to see. The one on the left hand side is from the pack which had the barcode on it. The one on the right hand side is from the pack that didn't have a barcode. They've got a different mechanism there holding the discs in, so the cases are different. So look at the discs. The discs look the same to me, exactly the same. In actual fact, they're quite plain on the back compared to some other discs I've been using lately. But they look exactly the same. So the discs look the same. But the cases, the ones with the barcode, have a typical, well it's not it's typical, no, these have got a different case. Okay, so this is a Maxell MD 74. This is from the Rainbow 15 pack that I did a video on ages ago. The link will be in the description below. And this has a typical Maxell case in that it's got a round cutout at the front, a rectangular cutout at the back, and it's a slide up case. And if you can see right there, if I can get a focus, it's got a plastic clip that holds the disc in place, so it's easier to look at it from the back. Excuse the label. But as you push the disc in, the little plastic clip deforms and then just holds it in that little notch there. Now these ones, the one with the barcode for the MD80, doesn't have that plastic clip, a white plastic insert. It's built in, it's moulded into the case, just there. Look at that from the back as well. It's just there, so I can get a focus on it. It doesn't want to go in there, does it? There you go, let's do that once more. And I don't think these are a slide up case. So these cases don't slide up. So the MD74s, which were earlier, have a slide up case. So, coming back to the disc. Disc is really nice. A bit flowery. But it'll do very nicely. So let's have another look at the let's look at the pink one now. So these got the MTV Euro Top 20 mark on them, which the older Maxell MD74s didn't. So let's have a look at the pink one. Now we'll need all of these. I think I've got 12 and I think I'll need 12. So I'm going to unwrap them all. Again, this is the one with the barcode on it. Oh, look at that, I've got 2 stickers on this one. Bonus. Only one on the last one. And again, these didn't all necessarily come from the same batch either, so that is the same case, I think. Oh, hang on a second. Right, that one had the barcode on the back, same as this one. That's got a square, 2 rectangular cutouts on it. And that one has a round cutout on it. Ooh, that's very annoying, isn't it? Let's do this one. There's no barcode on this one. Only one sticker on that one. And that one also has 2 rectangular cutouts on the case. Okay, let's open the final pink one with the barcode. That's the same barcode as the other pink one, with the other 2 pink ones. The green one had a different barcode. It ended in 450410, but I think that's just because it's a different colour. But it could be a different run, like a different production run. Why is it so hard to get these undone? Yep, so again, just the 2 rectangular cutouts. A really nice colour disc, that. I wonder what the butterfly was for. I mean, it is the MTV Euro Top 20, but I don't know whether there's any significance in the butterfly. If you remember back then when these were new and advertised, and you know what that butterfly is meant to represent, then let me know in the comments, please. Again, this one's without a barcode. I think I need to switch to a sharper craft knife. Okay, so that's that one. That's a bit muted, that purple. It's not doesn't really stand out. And what I'll do is I won't open another purple. I'll just open one of each colour, and I'll open the other ones, but I won't add that into the video unless they're different. Now I've checked the backs for all of these other ones, and they're all exactly the same. That's a nice one. That's a nice bold blue, that. And finally, okay, just proof all the cases, all the packaging's the same. And it's quite a dark yellow. Let's see if I can find that one there. So this one here is my favourite, I think my favourite all-time mini disc, especially from Maxell. Nice, real nice gold colour, the one with the black back. And that one doesn't, it's not as gold. Anyway, still a nice disc. Okay, here's a extra video. I know some of the extreme enthusiasts in the audio cassette community like to keep their packaging intact if they can. I'm not too worried about that sort of thing, but I've figured out a way on these ones at least of getting them out of the packaging without destroying, without ripping the packaging to pieces. So I thought I might as well show a video just in case anybody is, with the greatest respect, nerdy enough to want to do that. There is a seam on the edge of this pack. It's like a groove. So if you get your knife in there, you can run it almost all the way down, not entirely all the way down in that groove. So once that's done, you get your knife into the edge here, and you need to cut so it's open entirely on one end. And do the same on the other end as well. Don't know whether I'll be able to do this on camera. Here we go. So somehow you've got to get that in there. Okay, so having done that, you want to push down on this part while you squeeze front and back on this part and push the other way. And hopefully if you've opened up that other end enough, see there's a bit caught. You should be able to just slide out the mini disc, being careful not to break the case of course. There you go, that one's stuck down at the bottom of the mini disc. I think it does split there, but what can you do? There you go, so you can get out a bit crinkled. I guess with a bit of practice you can get that done. Okay, so final one. I'm going to do the opening again, using that groove there. There we go. Try not to crinkle this one up too badly. There you go, that's a much better job. bit of practice, you'll be fine. Brilliant, thanks for watching.